Shaving kit bags or Dopp kits or amenity kits. This piece is made in leather. I know you must be thinking, how can we work it in leather? I'll show you in a second. So it's a 3-zip, 3 different pocket, a Dopp kit arrangement, and you have 2 outside zippers on the outside. I'll just open one section to give you guys a visual. The inside is lined with a durable synthetic non-leather Naga hide liner, so you can put it upside down and wash it away, and if you spill liquids in it, your shaving kit or amenity kit arrangements, so they don't spoil the inside of this Dopp kit arrangement. And it's very compact and thin, but it can take a max stuff loaded if needed. If you like our products and want more such products and more information, please visit our website, and we'll see you around in one of the next Earth rotations.